So the main purpose of the conference is to increase our knowledge in the basic research domains, which are measurements, which is protection, which is space debris mitigation, and which is also policy issues and environment modeling.
It's very important for the Space Agency and for us at CNES to be there in order to compare our work with the other agencies, to present our activity and also to take benefit from experience from other agencies. It's very important. And also we have a lot of discussions after the sessions at the coffee break or at the lunch. It's very important for us.
We have participants from almost 20 countries. In all, we have more than 300 participants, and that's about the core of the space debris community, because what we see here is the largest conference dedicated to this topic worldwide. They cover basically all research areas, so there are people from the measurement area looking at optical and radar measurements, in situ measurements. There are people looking at modeling issues, both debris and meteoroids. There are people looking at protection and shielding issues, and there are people looking at risk analyses, both for on-orbit and re-entry cases. And there are people looking at policy issues.
Yes, international cooperation is very important in the field of space debris, and all actors in space should apply the same mitigation rules. And this is the reason why we need to have international cooperation, first between agencies, to find an agreement and the guidelines.
The problems are common to all spacefaring nations, not special to ISRO, they're common. And one thing is that now when you are planning mission operations, launch operations, the questions about space debris have to be attended to. Also, we have to be aware of what is happening to our operational satellites, both in low Earth orbit or in geosynchronous orbit, whether it's coming very near to any other space debris. These regular monitoring has become at this moment a necessity to see this. As you are aware, most of the space debris is coming, almost 50% of it due to on-orbit explosions, and they happen because of unused propellant that is left in the upper stages that are left. Therefore, one main thing to reduce this is to passivate these upper stages, and this passivation has been introduced in all our ISRO launches.
Over the past almost 20 years, ESA and also other national entities in Europe and worldwide have improved their knowledge and their capabilities in space debris, in the research area and in the mitigation area. And right now I think we are at the rim to go from mitigation concepts, which today are also manifested in guidelines both at national level and at international level, to go from such mitigations to remediation, which means active removal of mass from orbit. And it turns out that that is a necessary next step in order to conserve the space debris environment at a safe level. And there are also initiatives in this direction ongoing at the United Nations at present.